with effect from 16th March 1996, the proviso was added to paragraph 11, subclause 3 of the scheme giving an option to the employer and employee for contribution on salary exceeding the aforesaid ceiling of rupees 6500, within bracket, which was rupees 5,000 per month prior to 8th October 2001 bracket close to retain the right to pension as per the scheme. Stop. 8.33% of employer's contribution of salary of an employee out of the deductible amount towards provident fund had to be remitted to the pension fund. Stop. Stand of the authorities was that there were certain restrictions as regards the time for exercising such option. Stop. A set of employees had approached the Provident Fund authorities much beyond such perceived specified date, mostly on the eve of their retirement, seeking to be included in the pension scheme. Stop. The point urged by them was that the amendment of 1996 was not within their knowledge, the same not having been widely publicized. Stop. The Provident Fund authorities had rejected their plea. Stop. One set of employees successfully brought action before a single judge of the High Court of Himachal Pradesh. Stop. Their right to exercise such option beyond the time of their salary exceeding the pensionable limit was in question. Stop. According to the authorities, that was the cutoff limit. Stop. The division bench of the High Court, however, accepted the stand of the Provident Fund authorities, holding that paragraph 11, subclause 3 of the pension scheme, as it prevailed then, stipulated a cutoff limit. Stop. The matter ultimately came to this court, and in the case of R.C. Gupta within bracket supra bracket close, a division bench of this court accepted the employee's stand and, inter alia, held, semicolon, within double quote 7 dot. Reading the proviso, we find that the reference to the date of commencement of the scheme or the date on which the salary exceeds the ceiling limit are dates from which the option exercised are to be reckoned with for calculation of pensionable salary. Stop. The said dates are not cut-off dates to determine the eligibility of the employer-employee to indicate their option under the proviso to clause 11 subclause 3 of the pension scheme. Stop. A somewhat similar view that has been taken by this court in a matter coming from Kerala High Court within bracket Union of India versus A. Majid Kunju, writ appeal number 1135 of 2012, order dated 5/3/2013 within bracket KER bracket close, wherein special leave petition within bracket capital C bracket close number 7074 of 2014 filed by the Regional Provident Fund Commissioner was rejected bracket close by this court by order dated 31/3/2016 within bracket REG semicolon Provident Fund Commissioner versus A. Majid Kunju, 2016 SCC online SC 1744, wherein it was directed semicolon SLPs within bracket capital C bracket close numbers 7074-76, 7107-108, 7224 of 2014 and 697 of 2016 heard the counsel for the parties and perused the relevant material. Stop. We do not find any legal and valid ground for interference. Stop. The special leave petitions are dismissed. SLPs within bracket capital C, bracket close, numbers 19954 and 33032 hyphen 33 of 2015. Stop. List these special leave petitions on 26/4/2016. Stop. As prayed for, comma, liberty is granted to file additional documents. Stop. Double quote close, bracket close. Stop. A beneficial scheme, comma, in our considered view, comma, ought not to be allowed to. Stop.